Did you know the letter Y has 4 different sounds? Let's level up and find out more. It's time for a mini lesson. Sounds of Y. Sound 1, Y as a consonant. Sound, Y, at the start of words. Yes, yellow, yoga. Sound 2, Y as a long vowel. Sound, EE. Usually at the end of words. Happy, funny, party. Sound 3, Y as a long vowel, I. Often at the end or middle of words. My, fly, sky, cry. Sound 4, Y as a short vowel, IH. In words like gym, myth, system. Let's try together. Which word has Y as a consonant? Yellow or happy? That's right. Good job. Time for a quiz. Which word has Y as a consonant? Wow! Amazing! Which word has Y as a long vowel E? That's right. Good job. Which word has Y as a short I vowel sound? Wow! Amazing! Inspired language.